In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your Reels history here on Facebook. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's actually two methods to go ahead and do this. The first one you're going to want to do is through the same session. Essentially open up Facebook and tap on Reels down at the very bottom. And if you're still in the same session, just swipe up and down to go back and rewatch Reels that you've recently viewed. However, if you have closed the app, go ahead and tap the menu icon down in the bottom or top right, depending on which platform you're on, and then go into your settings and privacy down at the bottom and go specifically into your settings. And from here, go ahead and scroll down all the way towards the bottom and go into your activity log. From the activity log though, up at the very top, you're going to see a little activity history section right here. Go ahead and select that and you'll see your full history, including Reels that you've watched, likes, comments, and all that kind of stuff. Essentially just tap on one of those Reels to replay it. But that's it. Those are two easy ways to rewatch your Facebook Reels. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.